Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Ashutosh. Today I'm going to show you a very cool trick with the Google Workspace and Gemini AI. This is being and Gemini AI. This is being released in the latest model of Gemini, and you need a Gemini advanced subscription to access this feature. So let's say you are back from a vacation and your inbox is overflowing with 189 emails. Now you want to sort things out. So just you need to go here, check the extension. There you can see there are a bunch of extensions that is provided here. That is Google Flights, Google Hotels. You can turn on all those extension if you want, or based on your preferences you can turn things on. So let's think that there are 189 emails and you want to sort it out. If you are having any meeting, what were the important things that happened while you were on vacation. So you just need to click on this, write this at the rate, and this all the enabled extensions will come up. You can write that Gmail, you can attach the prompt like on me. So I have written a prompt, and we will just hit enter, and this Gemini will look into our Google Workspace, and it will find out the mails for us. So let's see the live demo. Let's try it one more time, because sometimes the responses are not up to the mark. Find all the meetings scheduled for me today. Maybe that should work. It has found out a meeting that is at, and the best part is it has given us the title, what was the title of the meeting, and the invitation link where we can directly click and we can jump into that section. Let's try a few more examples like do we have any security mails over the last weekend. So it will again do the heavy lifting, and as you can see there was no security mails from the last weekend. Security alert here, but which is, I think, in the last weekend it has not found, but today it has found one email. That's why maybe it has highlighted it for us. So every response in in this Google Workspace, we were getting a copy option, plus we were directly getting the uh, mails where we can click on those links and verify those emails. For more Google and productivity tips, subscribe to my channel Tech with Ashutosh. I will see you in the next one.